This is a video sample of 30 kW direct-driven fan for bearing changing. Cause of abnormal noise. On the right side is the fan filter type air inlet. Impeller is in the middle. The left side is the motor. There is no shortcut to dismantling the motor. Firstly, need to remove the nuts around the grille. Then, we can lift it from the bracket with a crane. Now we will see the impeller. This impeller is 12 m diameter. There is an M16 bolt end cap lock nut at the end of the shaft. There are also M8 check screws wrapped in iron sheets on both sides. These steps will be easy to handle. The following step is to disassemble the impeller. This tool will be used for disassembling impeller. It's multifunctional puller, suitable for positioning of various specifications. Because the impeller too large to be tied with a hanging rope, we also need to use a hook. Under the safety protection of the hook, we can do it now. After the impeller is disassembled, we will see the motor shaft. This impeller is somewhat similar to the impeller of a pump. Then the air enters from the middle of the impeller. This structure has much greater wind power than ordinary fans. After the removed impeller, the next step is to remove the motor and remove the wire terminals. Remove the bolts. The motor need to be lifted off and disassembled. Confirm the bearing model. Now removing the rotor. While pulling the bearing, at the same time you need to heat the bearing. The bearing need to be heated with boiling oil for 15 to 20 minutes, and then installed on the impeller of the transmission shaft while it is hot. After the motor is installed, hoist it into place. Then the impeller need to be lifted. You need to be more careful than when disassembling the impeller. The keys on the shaft should be aligned, and use a copper rod to slowly tap in, then use the screw to press it in. Finally, tighten the nuts. The air intake cover should be cleaned. Lift it into place and it is done. After the power on test, the fan runs smoothly. All maintenance tasks are completed.